Hello friends, welcome to Prishala Institute of Electronics and this is our PCB layout design course and let us understand the outline of PCB design online course. So, what is the course objective? So, the main course objective of this course is to train and nourish the electronics engineer who wants to pursue their career in the field of hardware design and PCB design. The course is beneficial to the student or individual, working professional and corporate company who wants to train their engineers. After attending this course, you will be able to independently design the PCB layout. You're gonna do that. This course is divided into total 7 module. The module 1 is the circuit board fundamentals, module 2 is the Altium schematic design, module 3 is the layer stack up and floor planning, module 4 is symbol and footprint creation, module 5 is Altium PCB design, module 6 is PCB design rules, and DRC module 7 is manufacturing and data release. So we are going to cover these 7 modules in the course. Okay, so before I walk through each and every module, let me tell you, we gonna show you the 2 live demo projects. So the project 1 is going to be the buck converter and which is going to be 2 layer board design from scratch to end, from starting from creating the project, creating the symbol, creating the footprint to the manufacturing Gerber release. We gonna show that. The project number 2, this is more complex project, and in this project we gonna teach AC high voltage power supply design, which is 32 kV. So you gonna understand the cleavage, clearance and safety requirement for this high voltage power supply. Then we gonna also include the microcontroller, critical communication block like RS485, USB, buck converter, and you gonna see different loads and sensor interface in the project too. So this is going to be 4 layer board design and which is very complex to design it. Okay, so 2 live project demo we gonna show you by using these 6 or 7 modules. So what is we are gonna teach in module number 1, which is the circuit board fundamental, and this is introduction to the PCB, types of PCB, PCB material, understanding basics of wires, traces, pad, copper foil, copper plate, masking, solder mask, etc. PCB manufacturing end-to-end process we're gonna teach in the module number. In the module number 2, we gonna give the Altium GUI overview. We gonna help you to create project, integrated library, draftsmans and documentation creation, external, integrated and component placement, schematic template use and edit, schematic block creation, net name, off page connector, in page connection, schematic project validation, footprint assignment, and in the module number 3 it is symbol and footprint creation. So symbol and footprint creation of below components with the help of datasheet drawing. How you gonna read the datasheet drawing, and by reading the data, by looking the land pattern of the datasheet, how you gonna design the footprint. We are going to cover. We are going to show you some of the components like 1206 package, PTH MOV, MOSFET SOT23 package, MOSFET TO220 package, ICSO8 package, microcontroller 48 pin like transformer. We're gonna help you out how you gonna design the symbol and footprint for these components. So use of external footprint and symbol provided by manufacturer. How you gonna use that external footprint and symbol in your layout design? So this will be covered in the module number 3. Module number 4, after creating the symbol, footprint and the schematic, how you gonna define the layer stack up and the floor planning? So layer stack up definition for 2 layer, 4 layer, floor planning and component placement, how you gonna place the components, and then how you gonna divide your analog module, digital module, power module on the PCB, how you separate all these module on your PCB. In the module number 5, we're gonna show you export the schematic components in PCB editor, and creating board outline by with the help of DXLR manual process, routing guideline and layer explanation. This we're gonna show you in module number 5. Module number 6, this is going to be PCB design rules and DRC check. So here you're gonna learn about the PCB design guidelines, demo during the PCB design, what is DFM, what is DFA, what is DFT, and what is DFS, design for manufacturing, design for assembly, design for testability, and design for safety. We're gonna show you that how you're gonna resolve the DRC. Let's say you design the PCB and you see lots of DRC error. How you gonna do that? How you gonna solve those DRC error? Then we're gonna talk about the trace width definition, creepage and clearance as per IC 60335-1. Then we're gonna talk about the thermal management, EMI and EMC mitigation technique. What is the panelization? We're gonna talk what are the different IPC rules which you have to follow for PCB design, and we're gonna also show you the Saturn tool for trace bit calculation and high speed design kind of thing. Then at the end of module number 7, we're gonna show you how you're gonna Gerber for manufacturing, and how you're gonna solve the manufacturing queries which is coming from the supplier, and how we're gonna also cover up a small basic introduction of signal integrity and the power integrity. And this course we call it as a basic course. So in this basic course, starting from the project creation in Altium to the Gerber release, end-to-end process, end-to-end manufacturing process, end-to-end PCB layout process, PCB design process, with the help of 2 critical projects, we gonna teach you. Thank you so much.